Want to turn your everyday videos into stunning Pixar-style or Studio Ghibli animations? In just one click, you can transform your footage into viral animated content using GoEnhance.ai, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's jump in. So the tool we're using is called GoEnhance.ai. Just head over to the website and click Try GoEnhance for free. Once you're in, you'll see a clean interface with a bunch of cool tools. Video-to-video animation, a video generator, face mapping, image generator. Here you can more add tools like video effect, which more effects like kissing, hugging, 3D, turning yourself into an animal, and more. Also, they have the consistent character video option. We have a bunch of different options. It's seriously packed with creative features. First of all, let's go with the video-to-video option. The interface is very simple. You just have to upload the video that you want to convert into any style. For example, I am selecting this video, and then in the style section we have a bunch of different styles. There are dozens of styles sorted by version. Pixar style, pixelated, claymation, vintage Disney, anime, American comic style, and the super popular Ghibli style. You can also use the prompt box to guide the style more specifically, or leave it blank if you want. Next, set your video duration. Let's pick 5 seconds, choose quality mode for the best results, and the subject option is only limited for paid plan. If you want to restyle the whole video, keep it disabled. We also custom background option, but it's also for paid plan. Then we also have the seed option. If you want to do this, it depends on you. Then, just hit generate and let the AI work its magic. Let's see the first result. So this is the output video. I uploaded a simple clip, and now the woman is fully transformed into a Ghibli-style anime character. Looks amazing. Let's try another one. For example, I am upload a dancing clip. And this time I am going to try this anime style. This time, you can also control the FPS. I'll bump the frame rate to 30 fps for smoother motion. The result? Even better. Clean lines, smooth motion, and more detailed animation. I think this is much better than the previous style. This is the anime style. Also, we have other styles that you can try, but this one looks much better than the other one. And this is how simple and easy it is to transform your videos into the animated or the garden-style videos. And just below this video, you can see we have different options like download, regenerate, upscale, and lip sync. And if you're not happy with the result, no worries, just hit regenerate. Now let's upscale your videos to 4K resolution. And look at this. Obviously, this is much better than the previous output, and the video is much more detailed. Also, let's try one of my favorite styles, American comic. And this is the output of this style. The output is sharp, consistent, and flicker-free. Seriously good quality. So this is it from the video-to-video option. Now let's talk about the consistent character feature. You will see this interface in front of you, so you can upload up to 3 different images, characters, elements, or even multiple people in a single scene. Then we have the prompt section. They added this new model feature. Here you will get 2 different options. We have the aspect ratio options just like the other tools. You can control the video length and the negative prompt. We select these 2 characters, and inside the prompt bar, I am going to give it this simple prompt and hit generate. And check out the result. It nailed the look. You made a bit of a mistake at first. Also, they turned the cartoon character into a real one. You can see the characters are consistent, even though the style is consistent. The best thing is that we don't have any morphing. We don't have any issues. And we have one more output. This output is so detailed and consistent, but they made a little mistake with the face at first. You can also fix this by using a good prompt and a picture. You can also use this tool for marketing. For example, I have this jacket here and I have this character here, and giving it a simple prompt. So this is the output result. Now this man is wearing the exact same black jacket. You can use it for marketing. Or if you want to use this in your animations or other kinds of stuff, you can utilize this tool. And obviously, the results are very high quality. And that's how easy it is to turn your videos into animated masterpieces using GoEnhance.ai. Whether it's anime, Pixar, comics, or claymation, this tool lets you animate your world in just a few clicks. Check the link in the description to try it out for yourself. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.